Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to edit a registered payee on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Click on Money Transfer from the drop-down menu. In the Payee section, click the View All link. All the Payee accounts you have added will be displayed here. If you have many payees, you can use the search option on this page to find a specific payee. Now, click the edit link next to the name of the payee you want to edit. You can only change the nickname here. If you want to change the account name or account number, you will need to delete the existing payee and re-add it. After making the necessary changes, click on Continue. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Confirm. That's it. The payee nickname has been edited successfully. This is how you can edit a registered payee on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Thank you for watching.